Should Ho-Ho cover his nose and mouth with a wet towel to escape when a fire breaks out? You are right! Awesome! Should Ho-Ho play with matches, lighters, and other dangerous source of fire at home? You are right! Playing with source of fire at home can cause a fire. Should Ho-Ho call the fire station when his house is on fire? You are right! Whoa! Whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. And help Whiskers down. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. There are birds. Chase them away quickly. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. It's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete. Woohoo! Should Whiskers climb the tree to play without protection? You are right. Climbing the tree is very dangerous. Should Whiskers climb up the cupboard at home? You are right. Cupboards collapse easily. Children should not climb on cupboards. Should Ho-Ho climb up the window by using a chair? You are right! Awesome! Do not climb up windows at will. Whoa! Whoa! emergency.
The mine has collapsed and the miner is buried inside. We ask the firemen for help.
Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, the mine has collapsed and the miners are buried inside. We need to rescue them immediately. Okay, Hank and I will get ready to get into the mine. Put on protective equipment before getting into the mine. Searchlight. Protective mask. Explosion-proof toolkit. Folding stretcher. Searchlight. Protective mask. Life detector. Lifting air cushion. The equipment is ready. Come on, let's set out quickly. Collapse at any time. Let's hurry up. Tap and hold the button. It's a miner's hat. Check out for miner with the life detector. Tap on corresponding number key to see which frequency band can receive sound waves. There is a signal. The miner's sound waves are around here. Let's check it out. Of the mine is broken. Let's fix it quickly. The support frame is fixed. Let's hurry up and move ahead. Oh no! Falling rocks are blocking the road. Break the rocks quickly. The road is cleared. Find the trapped miner quickly. Oh no! The miner is trapped by collapsed slates. Let's get him out. An air cushion and put it under the slate. Turn the gas cylinder switch to inflate the air cushion. Great. The miner is saved. Let's get out of the mine. Momo, we helped the miner out. Let's send him to a nearby hospital for treatment. Yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete.